Hi, this is Shannon with Chic and Sassy Nails by Shannon. I'm super excited. I just finally got my March Color Play Color Street subscription box. I have not opened it. I just cut the seal. As you can see, I don't have a mani on right now. I'm actually doing a live demo tonight in a party. So I'm saving my St. Patrick's Day nails to do those tonight. I am just hopping on live. Well, actually, I'm not live. I'm recording this because I want to save it and post it on YouTube with a big spoiler alert so nobody watches that doesn't want to see what's inside the March subscription box. So fair warning, this is the March Color Play box. It is the Hidden Treasure theme. So I have not seen it. I've been very good about not seeing any spoilers. So this is your last call. So make sure you stop the video if you don't want to see this contents of the March box yet. So let's see if we can open this. Sorry, I'm gonna bend the box open. All right, so let's see what we have here. This is the, oh my goodness. Okay, sorry. This is the first time we've had any little decals. Oh, how cute are these? Oh my goodness, there's 25 little, they call them appliques, I guess, nail art. They look like they're little nail stickers, but there's like little pearls and gems. Oh my gosh, these are adorable. Okay, that's super cute. That really surprised me too, if you couldn't tell. So here, let's see if I could put that up there so it can still be seen. Here, we'll move this. So Hidden Treasure, here we'll see. There you go. All right, let's look at some sets. Who's ready? I am super excited. Oh my gosh, I already love this. Oh, look at this glitter dip. Oh my goodness. What a cute glitter dip. So this is 12 nails. I'm assuming it's doubled. Yep. But it is bigger silver chunks and then little fine pink micro glitters all in one glitter dip. Called Siren Secrets. Okay, I love that. Oh my goodness. This is the same thing but in like a teal. Okay, you guys. I am pumped. Ocean Abyss. This already I think is my favorite box and I haven't even opened all of them. Here, let's move those down. What is this one? Okay, this is a pink. I'm trying to see what that looked like. Island Treasure. It kind of looks what Alter Ego looked like, but I'm assuming it's not a sheer set like that one was. So it's a pale. It's different than Blushing and Flushing because it doesn't have that silver glitter on top. And I can't remember if I still have a Blushing and Flushing. I don't think I do. I don't think I ordered it. I really don't recall. Sorry, we're not going to compare anything today. Oh my gosh, though. Super cute. Oh my goodness. Okay. I know not everybody loves pink, so they might not like everything, but oh my gosh. Because I have pink hair. I definitely like pink. This is like seashell stripes as a French tip. Oh my goodness. And it's pearlized, so kind of, oh, it's like a duochrome. It definitely color shifts. See how it's reading, it grabs that more magenta to that pearly color. All right, oh, very cool. So a paler pink, like a purpley magenta patterned tip that has like stripes, like a seashell, I guess. That's what I'm trying to say. This looks like, okay, this is called String of Pearls. What was this one called? She sells seashells. I can never get able to say that. She sells seashells. Treasure Island is the pink one. Ocean Abyss. Siren Secrets, and now this one is String of Pearls. So this is the pearly, looks white, but as you shift it, it has the iridescent duochrome. It shifts to like that pink purple tone. There you go. Very cool. Alright, by far my favorites are the little gems and the 2 glitter dips. Love them, love them, love them. I don't even need anything extra. I got those. These are cool. I think this will be fun to play with, especially with the glitter dips. Cute pink. We have a ton of pink, but it's cute. And then these are kind of cool because they're different. Something new. I like that. But look at you guys. What we got? 1, 2, 3. Okay, wait. We got 2 full sets. Oh, we got 3 full sets. I had to count. 2 12 sets. And the decals. Plus, I haven't even looked. So we got our other things here. Oh yeah, this tells me. 3 of the 16 strips. 2 of the 12 strips. And then, what is this? This looks like a hair clippy. So the banana clips. Is that what these are? Banana clips? No. Maybe. We used to have these back in the day. Pearl hair clips. Alright. Cute. Cute little bag. A little pearly hair clip. For people who wear those, I guess. Channel your inner sea goddess with this divine pearl hair clip. Alright, it's cute. This is what I'm here for, though. These. Alright, you guys, I'm excited. This was worth the wait. I know all of these are shipping late this month, but look at that. What a haul. I am loving the glitter dips. I'm loving the little gems. Very cool. Oh, let's see what the looks they're saying are. So this is the front. Oh, I like that. They reversed their glitter dip on that with some gems. See, I like that simplicity of this one. I like that look. I don't even know if that's one of the looks. Oh, yes, it is. Okay, so it's the hardest look. So the first look is the pink. It's hard to see. Is the pink with the little seashell tips. I don't know if that's going to focus. So pearls. That's what it's called. Treasure is the middle one. Oh, I didn't even notice. These are reverse tips. They're meant to be at the base. They would be concentrated in here. Oh, they're reverse glitter dips. Oh, cool. Oh, why didn't I notice that? All right. So this one is the pink base with the reversed glitter dips. So it's just, they're meant to be like that. Start at the base of your nail instead of the tips, called Treasure. And then the third look that they're giving is the pearl, string of pearl set with the, whatever the, something abyss. What was this? Ocean Abyss with the decals to make that look on the cover. So that would be considered the hardest look, the middle, and the easiest. Again, you can scan the code for videos on how to do them. Oh, it's in English. Okay, sorry. Oh, and then all the descriptions are here. They started adding what the bonus item is. I think they got some feedback. Very cool. All right, I'm happy. I'm happy with this box. So I think it's definitely unique to Color Street. Never done the little gems before. I hope we see that more. I like the reversed glitter dip. You can always do it on your tips too. Very cute. Again, everybody's going to want these. Everybody's going to wish that these were the full strips. I feel like the newer stuff they are doing as accents. Probably testing it out kind of stuff. I do like the combo of the silver with the color. The seashells are fun. I want to see what other people think about how they're going to use these, because that'll be interesting to see. Both of these, of course, have that pink hue. I mean, this is definitely a pink, but this is like the pearly white with the pink color shift. So, all right, there you have it. This is the March Hidden Treasure subscription box, the Color Play subscription box from Color Street. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Take care. Bye-bye.